Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In my previous video, I have demonstrated how you can write your playbook and you can mention your task inside it which you want to execute on your remote server. So in my previous example, we have created a one simple playbook to set up the Apache web server um, configuration. So this was the example. So here we have a simple playbook. So as I mentioned to you, this is a single play inside a one playbook. Okay, I would like to use the multiple plays inside a single one. So the context is a bit different. Like if you have executed this playbook and it's saying everything is okay, right? But how you will sure that really is everything is okay or not, because I don't know my web server is serving the web page or not. So I do this one curl http://server1.example.com like this, and then it return the page, and then I make sure that yeah, everything is okay, my web server is accessible. Can we add this type of surety inside our playbook? So once the application server is set up and configured, I can uh, do some testing inside the playbook, and once the playbook execution is completed, it should have nothing is failed. So this is the example of like how you will ensure that your web server is serving the web page or not, and another example will be like how you can use or how you can write the multiple plays in a single playbook. So let's see, I'm using the same playbook. Here everything is okay. It is going to install the Apache HTTPD, then it is going to start and enable the Apache HTTPD, then it's creating a one web page, then open the firewall ports. But I would like to add the another thing here, which is going to be start from the beginning. Remember that, because this is the second play, not the first play. First play is this: whenever you are going to add multiple plays, they will start from the beginning, like here. I am writing this one. It is going to connect to my intranet web server. So I can mention here connect to intranet web server, right? And here I need to use here hosts. Host name will be localhost, or it could be the group name. So let me check what I have. Cat inventory file, so it has the localhost as well as the myself. Okay, so I have mentioned here localhost. That's okay. It means it will test the web server URL from this localhost to the web server, and then I need to use the like module in the task field. And there is a one more thing I would like to call here. In my ansible.cfg file, I mentioned the become is true, means you can escalate the privileges. If you don't remember, you can see here this is. So I don't want to disable this one. I want to disable just inside this play. So I can put here become, and I can put here no. So become will be disabled only for this particular play. Okay, now I need to mention here tasks, and inside the task I need to use some name or value, or I can put here something like not the connect, it's like test intranet web server. Okay, name connect intranet web server. Okay, and then the module name. So there is another module called is URI, I believe, which we can use to test by using the URL. So we can check it here, the URI. Yes, This is the module name, so I can use here URI, and inside the URI there is a parameter is called, so this is interact with the HTTP and HTTPS web server or services and support this. So this is okay, it will get some like code. So here we can check what the mandatory parameter. This one, URL is the mandatory, so I need to pass it here in the URL, and the URL is http://server1.example.com. so when this particular module is going to connect with this URL, what code you will get, it could be 404, it could be 403, it could be 401 something, but what will be the success output? So always it's a 200. So you can see the status. I believe there is a code, a status code, some parameters you will see here. This is status code. So a status code is coming back to 200. You can see here a list of valid numeric HTTP status code that signifies the success of the request. Default is 200. So if you have something else, you can type that code, but by default, if the some like a web server is responding to you and the code is 200, so if I'm getting the 200, it means my system is okay. Otherwise it is not going to be good. It means it is not going to serve the requests. It's just like I am using the curl command from my system to the web server, and it's serving the web page or not. So this is the second play and this is the first play. So let's close and run this one. So this is the first play, which is going to be execute on the server 1. You can see everything is okay, nothing changed, and this is the second play. You can see here, play test intranet server, and from where? From the local host, and this is also okay. It means everything is okay. Your web server is serving the web page and it's reachable from this system. So we have modified our web server playbook, and we have mentioned the another play which is going to trigger a curl command for us to test the web server server1.example.com is serving the web page or not. What will happen if it is not going to be served? So it will display your all these tasks is okay and one task is failed here. So you will see that one is a failed here, right? This is the not this one, because this is the play. So you will see here the failed status here. So this is the way you can write your multiple plays inside a single playbook. I hope you like this video. If you have any question, please comment on my video. If not, I will see you in the next session. Thank you.